This is 6.2b of geometry. So Theorem 6.6 says if we have a parallelogram, then the diagonals bisect each other. So this guy here is congruent to this guy here, and this guy here is congruent to this guy here. At the point, they're split in half. So we can put that to use in our got it problem down here. So I know that this guy is congruent to this guy, and this guy is congruent to this guy. So I can set up some equations here. So 3y minus 7, that pt, is equal to 2x, that tr. And I also know that st, the x plus 1, is equal to y, qt. And I need to solve for x and y. So what I'm going to do is I know that down here that y is equal to x plus 1. Oops. X plus 1. So in my equation up here where I have y, instead of writing y, I can write x plus 1. So this is 3 times x plus 1 minus 7 equals 2x. And I'll distribute my 3 in, so I get 3x plus 3 minus 7 equals 2x. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. So this is 3x minus 4 equals 2x. And I'll get the x's all to the right side. So I'll subtract 3x from both sides. I get negative 4 equals negative x. Divide both sides by negative 1. And 4 is equal to x, or x equals 4. Then to solve for y, I can plug that in back down into this equation. So I have 4 plus 1 equals y. So y is equal to 5. So set up your two equations. Solve one of them for a variable. It happened to be that this one, my y, was already alone. And then plug it into the other equation and solve. Okay, our other theorem, 6.7, says, let me switch colors here. If these lines are parallel, and on one side the parts are congruent, then our theorem says that these guys are congruent. So let's look at this picture up here, and we're told, we'll do our got it problem, so we're told that these guys are all 6 down here. So I've got parallel lines, right? They're marked as parallel with those triangles. And these are all 6, so that means that these are all congruent. So then I know these guys are congruent. And I'm told that the whole thing, AD, is 15. So if I have to split that equally between 3, 15 divided by 3 gives me 5. So those are all 5. And there's your homework.